that? Recon is making Carroll Shelby's Texas chili. Here's his way. The recipe is in the box. See how he does it right here.
Alright, I'm reading the box, and just to be on the safe side, I thought I'd read it just for the heck of it. I've already got, wait a minute. Okay, I've got that going, and now that I got that going, I went on and came over here, and I got the tomatoes ready to go with the onions. They're going like that. This, of course, will go last. These are going to go next. They're going to go with the ground beef. So I also got tomato sauce, which it says on the box, and then I'm going to read the box to you, or let you read it, but we'll read it along together, okay? Let's act like we're in school. Okay, put your left foot, okay, no, wait a minute. Okay, the lighting in here, wait a minute, okay, you got it. Set the thing today. I don't know if it's me or... Anyway, it says 2 pounds of ground beef, okay, which is what I got, or you can use small cube chuck roast. I got 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. I got 16 ounces of water, which is 2 cans of tomato sauce, and then this pack right here. Now this pack right here is going to have some stuff in it. It's like a chili pack, so it's going to have some other stuff in there. So let me get back on this. I'm going to pop the box open. Isn't that neat how it does that? So it's like that, and it pops open, and you can do it where it'll hang or something. Hey, hang tight. I'll get right back. As you see, it's doing its thing in there. Got in Molida, it's called Molida for a reason, so I use this like that boy here, my bean masher. I had it for a long time. Does this thing. I'm gonna hate when it finally breaks and dies on me. But I use that, so we're gonna keep on doing this. And then I think it's about time right there with those onions in. I like onions in mine. I know you're saying, man, put some onions in there. Yeah, I did. Yeah, okay, and? Yeah, there's onions in there. Yeah, okay. You need help? I mean, need me to hold your hand? I'll hold your hand. Okay. Anyway, I do love onions. So, let's get a spoon, start stirring this around a little bit, and then starting to, it's meat. Then I'm going to pop this thing open, okay? I'm running a little behind, backwards and forwards, so I have another thing that I'm working on. Then I got to get a shoot going tonight. I have a podcast coming out. Which a lot of you know already, but there's a podcast coming out. It's gonna air. Well, it'll probably air next weekend, but we're gonna film it on Wednesday. And I got 2 different teams that are coming in here, so I'm very excited about it. So I'm doing my test runs so I can get the link for them to send it to them tonight or tomorrow. That way they'll have it and they'll be ready. They can set up on their side. So all right, let me get back on this, and I'll be right back with you. Stand by 1. That's masa. That's what I'm going there later. This is the actual pack that makes the seasoning. So chili spices. This one here is the cayenne. That's the one you're gonna judge how hot you want it. I don't know how hot y'all eat your chili. I used to eat mine hot. I don't anymore for health reasons that I went through back in 2015. But anyway, stand by. We're gonna keep going. So let me get it cleaned up a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the tomatoes in at this point. You don't really have to, but I am. And then the water's right in here. I already poured it separate just for the heck of it. But most Hispanics know this, like when we do our rice, tomato sauce always goes first. Let me know, do you put your tomato sauce like right when the rice is brown? Browned or whatever, or toasty, whatever you want to call it? Or do you add the water? Let me know. All right, now we're adding the water. All right, now we're gonna stir this up, let it do its little thing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna pour the seasoning in. So stand by. All right, Now the spice mix goes in. I'm gonna put all of that because I've never had this before, so I don't really know if it's, how it's gonna come out. So we're gonna pour the whole thing in. I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. Doesn't have to go good because it's gonna blend well. It will blend well. I mean, it has to, right? Spices are known to blend well. So. Now here, you put the cayenne. Okay, so if you want cayenne in it, you go ahead and cayenne it. Me, I have to sissy it down, man. Yeah, no, calm down, everybody. Calm down. Man, look at that, we're doing so rude today. Hold on. It's acting cool. Now, I do like hot though, but I have to be cool. I have to, it's not a choice. Oh man, I did that in the air, and that means I'm gonna be sneezing in a minute. Turn your face. Alright, there's that over there. Now stir just a little bit more, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the masa, believe it or not. Okay, get ready. Okay, now here we go. Now, I got that in there. I haven't put the masa in there because I noticed that it kind of let the water went down a bit, and that's okay. But me, I gotta have it a little different. I like mine a little watery, because I like mine soupy, I guess you want to call it. So if I'm gonna add that masa mix, which what that does is thicken it, and that's not thick enough to me, I'm gonna cheat. And that's just all there is to it. Many of y'all know I really don't drink beer unless I'm really eating something or whatever. But I do buy beer and keep it around the house. Bye-bye. So I'm gonna add a little. Where we at? There we go. You said a little. Okay. You see, I added a little beer in there because I don't care what anybody says. In the past, when I made deer chili, I put beer in my deer chili, and it always came out good. So, and if it does, it does, and if it doesn't, it doesn't, and whatever it is. Well, it's not like the beer's gonna get you drunk or anything. All that does is just add that little extra that I like. So, that's how I'm gonna do it. Okay. Now, you can add like a third cup of water or something else in there, whatever you want to do, but I went with the beer. Alright, now if I want to get that thicker, I add the masa. And here comes the masa. Alright. Stir that. Dead center. Or should I say for you mechanics, tap dead center. Alright, here we go. In there. Get down in there. Come on now. Stop cheating. Don't make me beer you. Alright. Oh, I thought that was a piece of paper. Scared the heck out of me. What are you doing? Okay. I'm not gonna lie, it already looks good. However, it is not ready yet. You still got a way to go. So, the only thing left to do really is just lit it, set it, and then, I'm gonna put it right here. I like it right there. Okay, we're gonna set it, we're gonna leave it like that, and the box says, going on the box, and everything here, I've never done this, so I'm going on everything the box is telling me. 15 minutes. So we're gonna give it 15 minutes, come back and check it, then we'll taste it, and hopefully it's good. Back in the day, I would have had a 6-pack of beer or something waiting on me for this. Nah, but nowadays, I can't do that no more. I mean, I should have kept, that's the only one I had left. Otherwise, I would have kept it and chilled it, and I would have used, probably drank half of it, with my bowl. But I'm gonna eat it traditional, so I think y'all know what traditional is. Okay, let's let it do its thing, and then I'm gonna go sit down. And no one said I can't have a drink now. I do have a drink once in a while, So I got a little something up there I'm gonna reach for and make my type of drink. And my buddy Riso, he don't drink what I drink. I don't drink what he drinks anymore, even though him and I have pounded a lot of them. So we're kind of like on opposite sides of the tree or the fence or whatever you want to call it. All right, so hang tight. Let's go ahead and let this thing do that. And let's hope it comes out good. That's chili, man. I want some real chili. The heck with the can, man. All right, there's the finished product. That's how it came out. What I decided to do, just changed it up a little bit. I added some red beans that I had cooked earlier. I thought I was gonna let it simmer. I thought that I should let it simmer a little bit. Then I put the red beans in there. They were already cooked, so but they were fresh. And then over here, I already put some in a bowl, and I got some cheese in it. I like to use cheddar cheese, and you know I'm gonna put that right there. Now we know what that is. Also, I went on and just put the whole pack. Now yes, I put the whole pack. That's not. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna play games or anything, but I did put the whole pack in there. So. We're gonna see how it comes out. I'm gonna taste it real quick, and I'm gonna have to end this video because I got some work to do. And here we go here. I'm gonna stir the cheese around a little bit. Now if it's too hot, I should have some water by me, but I'll just shut this thing off and take off running. So here we go, let's try it. Blow it a little bit. Man, there it is. Carroll Shelby's Texas brand, original Texas chili. You want to try some good chili? Try this. Very easy. And you know, you can also use the cube chuck steak. I think it was. What is that? Yeah, chuck roast. So you can cut that, put that in there. Anyway, that's my little video on trying to do that. Okay, I already got the tartar sauce. Oh my god, I got the I got the sour cream in there already. So I'm gonna try with a little sour cream too next, and then we'll see how it comes out with that. Man, guys, this is chili. Now, everybody might have their own recipe, or might know somebody who does, but for store-bought, and you know, when I make chili, and I'm sure everybody else who does, or the majority, we're always doing this, and then adding a little more of that, you know. But for this just being a quick, you want some chili and on a cold day, and today was a cold day. I already knew it was going to get cold, so I had bought this a couple days ago to make sure. So I had to get that because I wanted hot chili in a bowl with some crackers, which I'm going to get. It's just regular saltines. I got Ritz and all that, but I'm just going to use the regular saltines. But that's my take. That's a slap steak. They get 5 slaps. Boom, 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 boom. I mean, you know, it's good. I love it. So anytime you want to make chili, go ahead and look for these guys or this thing. No paid promotions or anything like that on anything. I don't do that. I'm not monetized for anything like that. But appreciate you guys watching. I hope you learned how to do this or caught on, see how easy it is. It's really easy. If you know how to chop onions and chop them and dice up some tomatoes, you know what you're doing. So I'm gonna get back to this and finish it up and enjoy my dinner. And I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching the slap. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching the slap. And be sure and subscribe. Congratulations to the last winner who won that Starbucks card. Next week we got some more cards. But one I'm gonna probably put on the Explain Strange podcast. Okay? On the shelf in the back. Remember, here are the rules, real simple. When you look on the shelf in the back, if you watch the entire thing for a split 2 or 3 seconds, something will change and you'll see a gift card back there. It won't be there through the whole video. It will not be there through the whole video. It'll pop up, it'll pop out. Okay? So in other words, I'm just gonna stop what I'm doing and then put it there, keep going, stop, put it there, and then editing it'll just go whoop. So look for the gift card. When you find that gift card in the bottom of the comments on Explain Strange, or if you see the gift card on the YouTube, on my YouTube Slap Recon video, and the comments at the bottom, you put which card was it. All right, Milo won last time, but he was the only one who caught it. It was well, actually somebody else caught it, but it was too late. Remember, I gave a deadline, and it was a Starbucks. I think it was $25. If I remember right. So anyway, he caught it. You just put it in the bottom. Now those who put their name, the name of the card at the bottom in the subscription, I'm gonna go ahead and take those, verify that they're subscribers, because if they're not eligible. Remember, you got to subscribe, and then at that point, I'll draw the names out of all the ones that left the comments telling me exactly what card it was, who knew the card, that are subscribers, and then I'll put them in a hat. In fact, this hat. And then I put the names on paper, and then, old school. And then just put it out. Boom, whoever wins, that's the one who's going to get the gift card. All right? So come along, join along, and follow the rules, man. Slap his eye.